Okay, cool. Okay, cool, thanks. All right, so you should, okay, go here. I'm gonna make this a little larger and go to home. So there is a lot of stuff that I just sent out. So don't worry, it's a lot of stuff. We'll start at the beginning. All right, so I sent this out yesterday. This is the brown bag session right here. Uh, please do go through these. There'll be more brown bag sessions coming out, and there'll be live sessions. But this is the first brown bag session that has been put out. So it's a good brown bag session. I can invite her to talk live as well. But in the meantime, you have this brown bag session. There'll be more. There'll be other individuals who'll talk about farmer to farmer and other items related to careers and cybersecurity and stuff like that. But yeah, feel free to go through this. For this individual, you'll also see a link to her LinkedIn and a bio. All right, here's a bio. Here's her LinkedIn. It'll take you to her LinkedIn. You can connect with her. So her LinkedIn is right here. Yeah, but it's there for you to watch. All right, so you have that. And then what I've done is, so we're covering networking. We're getting ready to do the network attacks. So I just put a 45-minute presentation that covers the networking domain. I figured this would be a little bit more easier and flexible, and this will allow us to work more one-on-one with the next assignment. So I have the domain for here. There's a newer version, and I have a link to that, which is down here. But for this, you just need to watch it on YouTube. All right, I've been looking at houses. That's probably why this is coming up. Anyways, you will see the presentation 48 minutes regarding the networking domain. All right, so that is there. Then I have a number of walkthroughs. So this is Damn Vulnerable Web Apps, the walkthrough of the actual setting up the application. However, I've recorded my own video here, how to set up Damn Vulnerable Web Apps. So this is how to set it up in a VM environment. So if you go to the video, what you'll see is this. Well, I set up Kali first. So I set up Kali, partition it, and stuff like that. I'm doing this on an Ubuntu VM. So this is an Ubuntu VM that you see. It's going to be very similar in Windows and stuff like that. So it's not a big deal, but you can see what I've done. I've used the Kali XF CE, this is the lightweight distribution. And then here you can see how I created a bridge adapter and then basically done a virtual network with Kali and the Damn Vulnerable Web Apps. So I go through setting everything up, how to actually ping the other machine. And we can do this in person as well, but go through this first, try to get it done, and then we'll do it in class. And then here's the link to the ISO image. And so this will take you to the Damn Vulnerable Web Link, the ISO image. If you're having issues, let me know. I have copies of the ISO image as well. But here, download the ISO image. So I have that there. I also have a SQL map beginner tutorial for those that may have not paid attention to SQL map. Here is the SQL map tutorial right here. So SQL map tutorial, Metasploit tutorials. And then this is, I think, about 124. Yeah, 124 legal hacking websites to practice and learn. So I have these all listed right here. So please do explore these sites. Then I have OSCP practicing pen testing VMs. You can go right here. Then you can see what was posted on Medium. Is not like a scholarly page, it's just like a blog. But there are some good VMs. There's like 11 VMs posted right here. And it takes you to Vuln Hub. And you just go to Vuln in general, you can see all the various VMs here that are great for practicing, right? So you want to have an environment that allows you to practice your skills and stuff like that. All right, so I have that there. And then what you want to do, let's go to discussions. You want to go ahead and create your groups. And so this assignment is, in this group assignment, you will immerse yourselves in the world of network penetration testing using Kali Linux, a powerful tool for ethical hacking and security assessment. Working in teams, you will plan, execute, and document successful penetration tests on 2 different target systems. Through this assignment, you will gain hands-on experiences in identifying vulnerabilities, exploiting security weaknesses, and improving overall network security. Each team will record their work and create a presentation to showcase their pen testing skills. Form teams of 3 to 4 students each. Assign roles in your teams, such as team lead, pen tester, documentation coordinator, and presentation creator. So I want you to go in here now, create your groups, 3 to 4. It can be people that are online, and create your groups. So I'm going to pause while you go ahead and create. All right. So we're going to go ahead and start back recording. Hopefully by now you're able to create your groups. So what we need to do now is go over a few tools. And I think that's important. That's going to allow us to do a lot more things, right? Now, you should use the remaining part of the class, the 30 minutes, to set up your damn vulnerable web apps. So that's going to be one particular thing that you can do. Additionally, you can use the other sites, but if you're able to set up your own DVWA or Metasploitable image, it'll make performing your attacks a lot easier. And of course, it's a safe environment. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and bring this item here up. One of the easiest tools I always tell people is SQL Map. So if you just install SQL Map, if you're running Kali Linux, it's fairly easy to bring up. Sorry. Yeah, it's fairly easy to bring up. SQL Map will come up. Clear. So actually, SQL Map Wizard, SQL Map Wizard. Sorry. My spelling is not the best. Perfect. Okay. Forgive me. I got to work on my spelling, right? You can't be experts in everything. All right. So I have SQL Map up. And if you look at the link that I sent you, you will see that this particular site here, I'm going to bring it over. You'll see this is the link that I sent you, right? And so you're just going to take this, copy, and we're going to do the wizard, right? We're just going to paste it in here, hit enter, enter. We're going to do hard and do all, and let SQL Map run. And you'll see that it's already running. Fairly easy, right? I'm going to provide the link here so you guys can run it. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pull up the information that was retrieved from SQL Map. All right, so now I'm in the folder. I'm in the folder where SQL Map's located. I'm going to do ls, going to go to output, and look at all the sites that I've done. Test phone hub, so CD test. I'm going to go to dump and CD cart. All right, clear. I'm going to do ls real quick. Go to concatenate users. And there we go. Fairly simple, right? So I want somebody to do the same thing I just did. Now, when you see this vulnerability, there are a number of different things that you could place in the browser to look at vulnerable sites, right? A number of things. I covered that before in a Sunday lab, but I'm going to give you an example. And here's an example here. This is PHP ID question mark equals 1. And these particular sites here, I'm not doing it, but I could potentially run it against SQL Map, and perhaps something would come back, right? So that would be one thing. Close that out. So I've ran this. So I'm going to stop my share, and I want somebody to share doing this themselves. So I'm going to stop my share, and I want somebody here to share the same thing. So I just allowed for multiple people to share. So someone share, and let's go through it on your system, and then we'll jump to the next tool. All right, it's okay. Not everybody jump at once, but somebody go ahead and share your screen, and let's do this on your screen or on your machine per se. Yeah, Kevin, do you have Ubuntu running? Okay, so you can just bring up your Ubuntu machine, and then I'll walk with you through the install of this on Ubuntu. All right, no worries.
All right, I'm ready.
Okay, awesome. Let's go ahead.
Oh, what command do I execute? Forgot.
Yeah, so I'm going to type it here: sudo apt install SQL map. Yeah, so sudo apt install SQL map SQL. Oh, you got it.
Alrighty, and then what's next?
Okay, so next you need to run the wizard. So
Sorry.
yeah. So let me type it here.
And then with the link or
Oh no,
I
no,
just
just right there. Just run it like
alright,
that.
now with the link. What do I press?
Enter.
Oh, okay.
Hard and then all. So 3, 3.
3-3?
Yeah, well hit 3. Yeah, and another
Oh,
3.
okay.
That was giving like some secret code, didn't you?
Mhm. So how long does this usually take? Oh,
Depends. Like I've had it take 20 minutes, like 30 minutes, an hour. It really depends. Uh, one moment, hold up. All right. Looks like you're downloading stuff. I've already downloaded a lot of stuff before, but yours is okay. Just let it run. Don't worry.
I'm actually gonna make some space then, because last time I checked, I had too much stuff here.
Why do you have so much stuff?
Most from the zip files.
Gotcha. How big is your VM?
Not much, to be honest. Like only 30 gigabytes, 25. I should
30,
probably ask.
I mean, 30 gigs should be enough.
Is it finished or is it still downloading?
Oh no, it's still going, my friend.
Oh dang.
Yeah, yeah, just let it run. Go back to your screen, let it run.
Oh,
Just let it run. Patience. Okay, it's downloaded now. So now what you have to do, you have to find those files. So type in ls dash a. No, sorry, it's L. Actually, that's right. Okay, hold up. I'm looking. Mm. Okay, so I'm looking at your hidden files, folders, and sometimes SQL map will be it's a hidden folder. What you need to do is go to your directory, go to the folder.
oh,
Yeah, go there. And then start one minute. Go to the 3 dash with the 3 horizontal dashes at the top.
oh,
Right. Yeah, go there. The horizontal, like
oh,
horizon. No, horizontal. Okay, move your cursor to the right. Yeah, no, right there.
nothing.
No, no, not that. No, sorry. Go right one more time. Aha,
Here?
yeah. Yep. And then show hidden files. And now click on the magnifying glass and type in SQL. The magnifying glass. Oh
Yeah.
yeah, you're there. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Hit go inside the folder, right click, and then open in terminal. And now you'll
Oh.
navigate, hit LS real quick, LS. And then go into output.
Mhm.
LS again. And then go into the folder test. Just do CD and TE and then hit tab. It'll go there.
Oh. No.
Yeah, you
Really?
hit, no, just hit tab. It'll autocomplete.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, utilize the autocomplete. Yeah, there we
Oh,
go. Yeah, LS should be like a output. Oh, dump is in dump. Go to dump.
okay.
LS again. And go into a cart. LS again. And now you can look at the stuff. So you can look at users and stuff like that and see if you can actually use it to log in.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's not the proper way to do that, maybe. Okay. I'm just gonna copy this.
I mean, if you're trying to navigate there, okay, go back.
All right. Uh-huh.
Yeah, just okay. Just LS. So see what's there, and so you want to go into users. So concatenate the
Oh,
users. All right, so now you have users, password, and stuff like that. And so see if you can actually use that to gain entry.
not sure what to do next there.
Well, look, so it says CC, it says name, cart, pass, email, phone, username, address. So go to the website.
Oh. And I got it. All right.
And now try to log in with what you have.
Oh, okay. Let me just erase this actually. Okay. Oh. Uh-oh. Um,
What did you do?
well, it's more like, oh, no, I can't find the sign in.
Well, there's sign up. There's what
Oh,
is it?
yeah.
Oh, there we go, right there.
Oh, okay. All right. A little more simple than I thought it was. Okay. One, two, three, four.
See if it works. Let's see if you're ready for prime time. Oh, look at that.
Ah, interesting.
So how do you feel now?
I mean, I guess I could just change something, right? If I felt like it.
Oh, it says on this page you can visualize or edit your information. So technically, like, it has the name, the credit card number is right there. But that's wild because this stuff is just like going in. It's basically, yeah, it's just going in right there. So you would have that stuff. You could also easily, of course, confirm. So you can confirm what you have here to there.
Mm-hmm.
And let's go to cart. So click on your cart. So technically you could order stuff here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's look at browse artists. Okay, comment on this artist. I guess, I don't know. Go to browse categories. It's at the top.
Yep.
Okay, it's just okay, it's not there. But technically you would be able to add stuff into a cart. So you could actually go to a number of sites, which you shouldn't do, but you could, and you can see if there's a vulnerability relating, PHP vulnerability relating to their actual storefront and stuff like that. And you could, I guess, in theory, do the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So what now?
Oh, you're good. You are good. You just demonstrated that you are you have a future future small crime, small internet crimes.
Yay.
You can stop sharing.
All right.
So I've shared I have a few things coming out through the newsletter, and it relates to let's go crime Pedro, you're funny. Um it relates to I guess learning Mandarin over the summer paid, and another towards an internship. You should be seeing those. I'm also going to send out something for tomorrow with one of the academic engagement network through at Cyber Command. So I'm going to send that out. Be sure to take a look. If you're interested, sign up. There's only like 17 spots or something like that in the entire country. So please take advantage. It's free. You're getting paid as well. So it's not bad, right? All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to share, and I'm going to try to go through another tool real quick. So share desktop capture. All right, built-in display, perfect. Okay, so you should be able to see the screen. We are going to run through another tool. And I'm going to try to get this tool working correctly. So this may take a bit. This is the social engineering toolkit. It's install GIT. Let's see it run. So social engineering toolkit is pretty awesome. It is awesome. So I'm gonna go through the install, and then I'll send you the instructions as well, so you can do it if you're doing it on Ubuntu. If you're using Kali, it's already going to be there. Interesting. Let's do it. Let's see how this works. All right, so all I'm doing now, I'm gonna make sure I send you guys the link. So Daniela, okay, so let me explain. So you can run SQL Map. You can run SQL Map against anything. However, a number of these tools come with, I guess you could say, warnings, because they may or may not be legal. Because when you're running SQL Map, you're actually getting information from a database that is wide open. So that is the problem. All right, so that's there. All right, so I'm trying to see why this isn't working. Pip should be working. But I think I have a workaround. Install a PX. All right, so I have a workaround. Let's see. All right, so that's there, and now we are going to. Those pip backs, so let's do this. It was pip backs, so pip back should work. Let's see, so great. Okay, let's see why it's not working. That one's giving a little bit of issues. So I'm gonna come back to that one. Clear here. I'm gonna do WPS scan. So apt install Ruby. Actually, okay. Sudo apt install Ruby. I'll pass the items once I'm done. So I'm just installing Ruby. Now, WPS scan is going to allow you to scan WordPress pages. And so that's what we're doing with this tool. And I'm going to give you the link so you can install it yourself. And then the last one, which is pretty easy. Gem install. Yes. Perfect. Okay. All right. Can take a bit, so let it run through. All right, cool. All right. So clear. Make sure it's installed. And WPS scan is installed. All right, so now we can scan a WordPress site, WPS scan. Find a website. Scan a page and see if it works. See. Let's see. Okay, that's interesting. But that's WPS scan. So what you need to do is install it and run it. So what I'm going to do now is try this again, but try it with somewhere else. Let's see. What I'm doing now is I'm just looking for something. Okay, so I'm going to pause it here.